Welcome again. We're now going to put in a property belonging to the landlord we entered earlier. So we click on the property graphic in the middle of the screen, and you notice that we're into the property main browse table. The browse table doesn't have any properties in at the moment, so we're going to create a new property. So click on new property, and up pops the property form, input form. It gives us a property reference P1001 automatically. Property type drop down list: flat, house, service, commercial, etc. We put in a flat. The real property address is 16 Hawk Hill Place. Property key code is key 1, and the lease type is it rent only or let only. So we're going to say that this property is rent only, and it is available on our website. If we check this box out, the data that we're inputting will be immediately available on the website after saving it. So when's it available from? We'll say it's available from the 1st of the 11th. Press tab. It takes us to the available until, and we can leave that open or indeed put a date in there if we require it. The property website name, now because of theft and vandalism, we would probably just put in there Hawk Hill Place and not the actual number in the Hawk Hill Place. The website property street, well, it is Hawk Hill Place. Property area is in Edinburgh. And the property city again would be Edinburgh again. Of course, we've put the property area in as an actual area in Edinburgh, so it was Gorgie, for instance. We put in Gorgie, and the region can be put in there, and we'll just put in for this moment in time, put in Scotland. And the property postcode is EH11 1US, and the property price per month is £800. The council tax band is can be A, B, C, etc. C. The landlord ID, now beforehand we put in a landlord, so the system can now look at the landlords that we have already entered, and we can see that Landlord Smith is in there. So double click on Landlord Smith, and Landlord Smith's information will be brought through onto the property portfolio sheet. Sage department number. This can be used if we are indeed going to use Sage as our accounts package. We can put it in a Sage department number as 001. So we've got that. Now the property main picture, to actually import a picture, we go into the property picture main there and right click our mouse, and you'll see there's an import image. Yep. We go into my documents, and we go into my pictures, and we've got Hawk Hill Close there. And the bitmap is actually JPEG format. You get different formats. You get JPEG, PNG, JPEG, and BMP. So this is JPEG format. So simply want to put in a picture of the property that will enable us to rent it out. So this is the main picture, and then pops the main picture. So save that, save changes, and that means that information is now saved. So also with TPM software we have property set up with voice help. So click on there to give us voice help. We get into rooms now, and I'm quickly going to go through this. Rooms, Is it a single bedroom? Is there a single bedroom? Yes. How many? And we'll just say there's one. Is there a double bedroom? How many? And we'll just say one again. Single bedroom picture, again import image, go into my documents, again into my pictures, hotkill close, and it's JPEG, and you're getting an idea now of how it works. Double bedroom picture, import image, JPEG, and it's double bedroom. There you go. Bathroom, is it get a separate WC? Yes. Bathroom picture, import image, JPEG, excuse me, and we search for the bathroom image there. There we go. Open. Kitchen image, has it got a kitchen? Yes. Import image, JPEG, and we look for the kitchen. There's some nice pictures of the kitchen there. There we go. Has it got a hall? Yes. Has it got utility room? Yes. Has it got a balcony? Yes. And it gives you an idea there. All the main pictures should be 300 pixels wide and 225 pixels in height. Okay, we go into furnishings. Is it furnished? This property is furnished. Is it fully, partly, or not? Fully. Has it got a shower? Yes. A fridge, freezer, washing machine, microwave, and no dishwasher. So you could import the white goods pictures now. So again, JPEG. In fact, this could form part of your inventory for this particular property. We go seeing if we can get just an example photograph for you for this moment in time. There's a microwave. Sorry, microwave, open. We'll just take that and delete that, sorry, put it in here. JPEG, microwave, where are we? Microwave, here we go. We'll just give it just to give you an idea of what you can actually input onto the system. So we get into parking. Has it got underground parking? Yes. Have we got an image? Yes. Underground parking. Where are we? There we go. Open that. Underground parking. Living room. Has it got a living room? Yes. Has it got a dining room? Yes. Again, import images. Again, JPEGs. And you can show the living room now. Import images, sorry. Hotkill close, JPEG, and is there a sitting area? There we go. Web details, is it a new property? Now if you click on new property, it will put it onto the website. If you want it on the front page of the website, which is the property of the week, check that out. And total number of bedrooms, 2. If you want to type in a description for the website, we simply type in this, this accommodation comprises 2 bedrooms and fantastic views over Edinburgh. So whatever information that's necessary for the agency or landlord to rent out his flat. The terms, in this case it's 6 months short assured tenancy. It's tenancy, sorry, 6 months short assured tenancy. And are there any factors involved with this property? Again, you can put in the factors. It allows you to put in as many details as possible. And tenants, Is there a tenant associated with this property? Not yet, we haven't allocated a tenant. Utilities allows you to put in gas readings, electrical readings, water readings. Has it got central heating? Has it got central heating? Yes. Has it got a central heating certificate? And you put in the renewal date in there. So we just go 01 03 2011. Has it got electrical safety certificate? Yes. And that date again would be 01 03 2011. Has it got HMO license? No, it's only 2 bedrooms. Anything over 3 bedrooms and over would be. When was it last inspected? And we'll say it's 01 10 2010. And you put in inspection frequency. If it was every 4 months you would inspect it, you put in 4. If it was every 5 months you put in 5, and the system would work out the next inspection date. Save this changes. So what we did there was put in property details, which included the landlord, put in how many rooms, the pictures, furnishings, parking, living room, web details for the web, terms, any factors associated with this property. The tenant isn't in yet because there's no tenant been allocated. Utilities for all the utility readings, and whether it's got gas, electrical supplies and water supplies. There is a database that shows council tax bands, so that if you put in band A, it knows it's £779.33p plus water gives us 103,235. So indeed a database for that. So if we exit property details, we have now put in Hawkhill Place onto the main property board. Now this browse table will show all properties in the system, and we show that there is now one available for rent, and it is a managed property because this landlord takes a 10% management fee. We would take a 10% management fee from him because it's managed. Key reference, Hawkhill Place, and the ID reference. If in actual fact we had a tenant in there, it would show the tenant's name and the tenant's phone number. We could just phone directly from the system. So close property view, and that's us back to the main dashboard.